Hello viewers, I am going to show you how to find your Gmail password. It easy, just follow my step. Open your Gmail account and top click on three dot icon. There is no option find your Gmail password. Follow my next step. Open your phone settings. Scroll down. Then click on Google. Then click on Google account. Then click on security. Scroll down. Then click on password manager. Then click on Google. If you found please helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.